Wouldn't it be nice to lose a few of these? This is 5 pounds of fat. Now, if you have a goal of losing 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 30 pounds, 50 pounds, but you don't have time for a coach, you don't have the budget to get that one-on-one coaching, we've got the option for you. We have put our one-on-one coaching program into an online course that is self-paced, module-driven, and walks you through the 7 points of health and helps you develop your own Power of 7 program. Step by step, action by action, we're going to take you through this course and teach you all of the things we teach our one-on-one clients, from macros to calorie balance to strategies, tips, tricks, cheat sheets, recipes. There's even meal plans and workouts in this program. So much information in here, and this is it's a no-brainer for the cost. So we're launching this. Click the Learn Now button, check it out. You'll also get support from us coaches here at 7 Point Nutrition through email or the private group once you're in. So what an amazing opportunity to check it out and join the revolution today. We're here to help, and I can't wait to see you on the inside.